You can't see what we're going to hunt today. Nope, you cannot see it. And since you cannot see it, I'm going to tell you. It's bill hunting time. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to the channel. We have another $1,001 bill hunt today from my lucky bank. But I'll tell you right now, when I went there to pick up these straps, there was a teller there who transferred from one of my other banks, and he knows all about bills. So I'm a little bit nervous about hunting through these straps because I know these are teller straps, and I know my man Josh definitely knows what he's looking for, so it could be a rough hunt. That being said, I picked him up. We've got to hunt him. You still never know. Fingers crossed they've not been searched through. Now, if you're new to my channel or new to bills in general, I have a ton of resourceful and clickable links down below in the video description. Feel free to check it out. And also, if you like the mat that you see on the desk in front of me, I have a link to that on my website. You can purchase that right here as well. All right, 10 straps, all circulated, all teller straps, hoping we get at least 10 star notes, but it'd be nice to get some collectible US paper notes that I have listed on my mat. Any of the older bills would be cool, like silver certificates or red seals. We don't expect to find those, but I'll take anything we can get, as well as printing errors and just older bills in general, maybe pre-1995. That being said, let's get this hunt started. As normal, I'm going to hunt through the bills off camera, and at the end of each strap, I'll provide you guys with strap recaps of the finds and the close calls. Wish me luck. Come on, strap one. Get us started. Unfortunately, strap number one was as cold as ice with 0 finds, not even a close call to tell you guys something about it. Oh well, it happens. That's bills. Come on, strap number two. Get us on the board. Strap number two is also a bust. Couple of notes, and they're really not even that close, but I figured I'd point them out. Almost had a repeater, 1322, 1331. Just needed the first set of digits to be 1331. Then it would have been a binary repeater. That's one reason I brought it up. The other bill, it would have been a fun bookend, 6203 and then 3062. It wouldn't have been a radar because it's out of order, but it would have been close. But more importantly, it would have been a fun bookend with 6203 and 3062. Just off by one. Otherwise, would have been a fancy note. It isn't. 2 straps down. The board is empty. I'm getting worried. Come on, strap number 3. Strap number 3 was not very exciting, but considering it had our first find of the hunt, I guess it's exciting enough. It's just going to be a 2017 A star note, so put that to the side. It gets us on the board, and for those that are new to the channel, at the end of all 10 straps, we'll plug in all of the star notes to the star note lookup site that I have listed down below to see if we have any rare ones. 3 straps down, 1 find on the board. Come on, strap number 4. Let's find some more. Well, strap number 4 did a really good job for us. Gave us 4 bills to talk about. 2 are star notes, both 2017. We got an L and an H. That gives us 3 star notes now through 4 straps. And after a slow start, strap 4 really got us back on the board. We actually also have kind of a fancy note here. This is a mixed ladder. You can see by the digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of them are in there. All of them not in the right order. That's why it's a mixed note. We'll still take it. I'm going to hold on to it. Those do fetch a little bit of money sometimes, and it's not in horrible shape, but it's not in great shape either. It does have some ink and a pretty heavy crease right there. And then another one I'm going to keep anyway. It's a trinary note. The serial number is made up of 3 different numbers, and trinary notes are somewhat collectible to the right collectors, but this was almost a true binary as well. Had that 2 been a 1 or a 0, it would have been all 0s and 1s, and you definitely want bills like that. It's a close call. I still like it. I wish it was in better shape, but I'm going to hold on to it for now anyway because it's a nice enough trinary that I think it has some value. 4 keepers in the 4th strap. Wow. Can strap 5 do one better? Well, we finished strap number 5, and I asked before I went to the search, could strap 5 one-up strap 4? And I don't know, I think it may have. Take a look at the finds, and the best note was the second to the last note. First of all, we got another star note. That makes star note number 4 through 5 straps. B Series 2021. I don't think that one's rare. Wish it was the 2013. We had a really close call to a binary 33183333. Lots of threes, 6 of a kind. For that reason, even though it's only a trinary, I think I'll keep it. It's lucky threes. Literally 5 bills after that one. Look at what we got. We actually got a binary note. Only 2 digits in the serial number, 3s and 2s, and I like how it's set up. 222, 333, and then back to 2, and then back to 3. A very cool note, almost a binary quad pair, it's or double quads, but either way, we will take this one. It's in pretty nice shape overall. It's a new bill from 2021, or at least the print series, so we'll definitely take it. I'll be putting that in the flip right away. That's the best find I've had in a while, and that's a good one. 5 straps down, we had 3 more keepers in strap 5, halfway through the hunt, and we're off to a great start. All right, second half, here we go. Strap 6, can you three-peat? Well, strap number 6 was a tough strap. We were due for one after a couple of great straps, couple of notes that were close calls. Almost another binary. Seen a lot of these today. 1666, 1614. Needed that 4 to be a 1 or a 6. I still think it's close enough call that I'll hold on to it for now. And then the other one was a older bill, 1995. I'll end up keeping this one actually because even though it's in terrible shape, I do want to check the series 1995s, the 88As and the 93s for what's known as a web note. They're easily identified by the printing plate above 1 next to In God We Trust. When I flip it around, there's nothing up there. The printing plate's down there, and that means it's just a regular note. Although it's older, I'll be keeping it. I keep every note from 1995 and earlier. Stuck on 4 star notes through 6 straps. Hopefully strap 7 can give us a few more. Strap number 7 did give us another star note. This time, a 2017 H series. Actually, we had one of those earlier, I believe. That's now 5 star notes through 7 straps. 3 straps to go. Well, strap number 8 was a complete dud. No finds, no close finds, no nothing. Come on, strap number 9. Get us back on the finds. We have just finished strap number 9, and it ended up being the strap of almosters. We'll kick it off with this first one. I just at first thought it had all zeros and it was a 563 low serial number. Then I saw the 8. Dang it. Second of all, take a look at this one. 9200, 9500. Needed that 5 to be a 2 or vice versa. Would have had a nice repeater. It is not. And then another almost binary. 1 digit off. That's 7. That would have been a sweet note, 55050055, but it's got a 7 in there messing it up. It is one that I've been kind of keeping. I don't know if I will. It's not nice enough. I'll probably send it back. Yeah, we'll just send it back. So, strap of almosters, still stuck on 5 star notes. Been a tough star note hunt. We've only got 1 strap left. Let's see if we can add any more finds to the finds board. The 10th and final strap of the 10 strap hunt has been hunted. We did not get any more star notes, so unfortunately, we're going to end with only 5 star notes. Hopefully, something in there is rare. That being said, we have a couple more finds to talk about. Another almost repeater, 1140, 1190. It's not keepable. We then have a birthday note of sort. It's not a true birthday note. I know it's supposed to be as month, day, year, but technically the 23rd of January, 2005. And in case there's a 19-year-old out there been looking for their birthday note, I'll hold on to it for a little bit. If you happen to need this note, let me know. Shoot me an email. My email's down below. All right. We're going to call it as a birthday note. Oh, and I ended up keeping that other note for now. So I have a lot of almost keepers up here. None of these are super great notes, but decided to keep all 5 of them for funsies. The best 2 finds are the broken ladder that you saw, and I've already flipped it up. A really nice newer note, binary, if I can pick it up. All 2s and 3s. That's the best note of the find or of the hunt so far. And then, of course, we had the older bill as well. Let me go ahead now, plug in the small amount of star notes we got, all 5 of them, into the star note lookup site. I'll see if we have any rare ones, but I'll be back with some final thoughts on what I found with these, as well as some final thoughts on this 10 strap hunt. All right, we've got all of the 5 star notes on top here plugged into the star note lookup site, and all of them are common. No rare ones. These are worth about $2 to $3 a piece. So kind of a bummer not getting any rare ones and only getting 5, but I'll take what we can get. The best 3 bills of the hunt, yet again, are the binary note that I've got in the top loader. We've got that beautiful broken ladder right here, as well as that somewhat of a birthday note. We'll hold on to it for a short period of time. a bunch of close calls, and one older note. I think this hunt was a little tougher because 5 of the straps didn't really have any star notes in it, if I can recall correctly. And that makes me believe that I must have got some of the ones that maybe that teller looked through. Only he will know. But either way, this bank never, and I don't want to jinx anything, but never has less than 9 or 10 star notes in a 10 strap hunt. And this one was tough, 4 star notes only. Despite that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this 10 strap hunt. If you did, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.